Hi everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Psiphon VPN on iPhone, iOS device, step by step so you can browse safely, unlock restricted websites, and enjoy secure internet access anywhere. Now let's get started. Step 1. Download Psiphon from the App Store on your iPhone. Simply open the App Store, type Psiphon in the search bar, and download the official app that appears. This is the trusted tool that helps you connect to a secure VPN network. Step 2. Connect to the VPN after installation. Open the Psiphon app and tap the Start button to begin. The app will automatically search for the best available server and configure your iPhone for a secure connection. You might see a pop-up asking permission to add VPN configurations to your device. Tap Allow, and if your iPhone asks for a passcode, enter it to confirm. Once connected, you will notice a small VPN icon at the top of your screen showing that Psiphon is active and protecting your data. Step 3. Customize your settings if you want more control. Tap on the settings option inside the app where you can add custom HTTP headers, use an upstream proxy, and adjust other connection preferences based on your needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more easy and helpful tech guides.